What is up guys, it is Sean from Booster here, bringing you a video here at R-Tec. We are going to be unboxing this Remus catback exhaust system for a Mini Cooper S. So we're going to get this up, unbox it, have a look and see what is inside this box. So today we have here a Remus catback exhaust system for a Mini Cooper S 2014 Plus F56 model. What we have here is the back box with the pipes, we have the tailpipes which I'm excited to show you, and we also have the Bluetooth controller which controls the valves within the exhaust. Now a little bit about Remus, they have been in the game over 2 decades and they started out in Austria in 1990, and now today they are the UK's leading performance part and tuning part in the entire industry, so you can trust their parts. Very high quality stuff, as I am about to show you. Right guys, so the first thing I want to show you is the tailpipes that come with this particular system. So I want to show you guys what's inside here. We can have a look. Okay guys, so here are the tailpipes that come with this particular system. Now these tailpipes are the Wolf Inside selection from Remus themselves. They have a shot blasted surface, a very aggressive racing sound, and they are 100% stainless steel. So you can tell just by the looks and the feel of this thing that it's going to sound and look very good on your car. As I said, these have a fair bit of weight to them as well, and the quality that goes into these tailpipes alone, you can tell there is a small Remus logo engraved there right on the edge of the tailpipe, so that when it sticks out of the diffuser you can just see and tell that this is a Remus system. Now let's place these two one side and show you the next part of the puzzle. And the next piece of the puzzle is the Remus Bluetooth sound controller. We're going to get into the big stuff towards the end of this unboxing, but I want to show you guys what's inside here. Okay, so here is what's inside the Remus Bluetooth sound controller. Now I'm going to run you through a couple of these parts here. This is the Remus OBD port. If we get this out right here, you'll be able to see the little OBD port that is right underneath there. So you see that plugs into your OBD2. This is OBD2 compatible. Open up, really nice case as well, as per with Remus. And you can see that this goes straight into your OBD2 in your vehicle. Now we have the Remus sound control box, which is what controls all of the stuff, the valves and all that stuff. And then underneath here I will also show you all of the wiring that is included with this box. And then we have the Remus sound control button with the little Wolf logo, as you can see right there. Now if we lift this whole section up right here, you will also be able to see inside we have ourselves some wiring and stuff like that. So we have all of the wiring that is necessary to connect up your Bluetooth controller. We have the actuator right there, which is what actually controls the valves, and once you connect all of this up, it will be able to control your valves manually or automatically. Right, and now on into the meat of the package, which is the Remus back box. Now there's a few pieces here. First thing I need to tell you is every single piece of Remus exhaust is TUV approved, which basically means that it is to the highest standard it can possibly be. Now as this is for a Mini Cooper S, we have two tailpipes that come out on the middle of the rear bumper. So these two tailpipes behind me right here attach on to these pipes right here. Now these tailpipes back on into a valve controller right here. Right, so now I'm going to explain to you guys how this valve system works right here. So we have the main part of the exhaust, and it cuts off into the back box, which is right here, and then it also cuts into this valve right here. Now when you're driving normally, it will only flow through the back box because the valve in here is closed. However, when this valve is open, it will also allow exhaust gases to flow not only through the back box and out this pipe, it will also allow exhaust gases to flow through this pipe here, thus making the car louder and sound better. Now this valve is operated via the Bluetooth controller, which you can actually get on iOS and Android. So you can control this valve in your exhaust with your phone, which is pretty cool. Now, last but not least, we have the two pipes that complete the rest of the system to make it a cat back. We have this piece right here, which actually connects to the catalytic converter. And then we have this straight piece of pipe here as well, which is the non-resonated center section. So this replaces the standard system, which has a mid box in it, which is resonated. So this basically makes the car even louder. There you go, guys. That is what you get inside a 2014 Mini Cooper S catback exhaust system from Remus. Lots of parts, very, very high quality stuff. Make sure you're going to check it out on our website. We do supply Remus catback systems for your Mini Cooper S. Now, if you're new here to the channel, make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button. Of course, if you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like and leave a comment down below on what unboxing videos you want to see next. See you in the next one.